Over the past several years, interest in quick ways to make money online, from the comfort of our homes, is on the rise. The magic of the web is that it's a powerful sales channel, marketing network, and community hub all in one, plus so much more. There are many creative ways to make money fast online beyond filling out surveys and selling used goods on marketplaces. That said, some side hustles are better suited to the laptop lifestyle than others. In this video, we'll break down the pros and cons of 5 of the top online money-making ideas. Welcome to Investment. Don't forget to give us your like and subscribe to never miss one of our videos and step by step become closer to financial freedom. One, sell stuff online. One of the best money-making ideas for quick cash is selling stuff online. For example, you can sell clothes, furniture, and handbags from your own home, or you can buy and resell higher value items like laptops, TVs, or phones. You can buy these products online through sites like AliExpress or from local garage sale and thrift stores, a great way to make money fast and earn extra cash. Try to sell your products on multiple platforms and marketplaces instead of just one. The more places your products live, the more likely people will be to find them. There are hundreds of online selling sites, all with their own niches and commission fees. A few examples include eBay, Facebook Marketplace, VerageSale, Mercado Libre, and even your own online store. If you enjoy this process, you can start a legitimate reseller business and sell anything from vintage clothing to refurbished electronics. 2. Print on demand. Print on demand allows sellers to customize white label products with their own designs and sell them only after a customer buys, eliminating the need to hold inventory, which is what makes it a subset of dropshipping. When a customer places an order, a print-on-demand company will add your design to the product, fulfill the order, and ship it to the customer. The most significant advantage print-on-demand offers over dropshipping is that you control the aesthetic of your products, a key differentiator for product categories where the design is the distinguisher, like t-shirts or fan merch. When it comes to making money online, you can also use print-on-demand services to test online business ideas or new products lines without the risk of buying inventory. Monetize an audience you've already built, whether it's on YouTube, social media, or a personal blog. Offer diverse products by selling t-shirts, books, shoes, bags, mugs, phone cases, laptop skins, wall art, and more. Sell photos online by placing your images on physical products to sell to your fans. Overall, print on demand lets you create customized products quickly. You don't have to worry about shipping or fulfillment, it's taken care of by your suppliers. And since you have no inventory to worry about, it's a low-risk, low-investment way to make money online. 3. Start freelancing. An increasingly popular home business idea is offering freelance services to clients online. Freelance writing, graphic design, data entry, digital marketing, almost every role an online business would hire for is viable as a freelance service. I've worked with writers, illustrators, and designers for years at Shopify, most of whom make their full-time living freelancing, not just doing it in their spare time. Almost all of these services are best positioned toward business clients, for reasons similar to why business software is an attractive product. Business clients are willing to spend. What most freelancers quickly learn is they have more leverage over the price they can charge when they position their work as outcomes instead of deliverables. Put another way, businesses hire freelance writers to create content that drives traffic and leads, not for wordsmithing. Sell clients on the outcome and prove it, where possible, through customer evidence like case studies and testimonials. The last thing to consider for these businesses is that they are a direct trade of time for money. You can make good money with a small selection of high-paying clients, but the moment you stop working, the cash flow dries up. You may be able to turn a freelance business into more of an agency, where hired help handles some client work. 4. Start a dropshipping business. Consider dropshipping. Startup costs are low and it's an increasingly popular way to make money online for beginners and pros alike. Dropshipping is a business model where you don't keep the products you sell in stock. Instead, when a customer buys something from your store, a third party fulfills and ships the order for you. Dropshippers can cash in on the latest trends and sell trending products, or there are many steady product categories that offer similar opportunities to do well. 5. Create custom products. While the options above come bundled with the convenience of not holding on to expensive inventory, they also come with some limitations, mainly that you don't have full control over the product you're selling. And when you think of most direct-to-consumer brands, this is what comes to mind: original products that make meaningful improvements or add interesting details to well-known items. Personally, I've purchased many messenger bags, but I'd never seen anything like the one made by Vermelia Pell until it reached my doorstep. Making products by hand is popular among jewelry brands, fashion brands, and home decor brands. It gives you full control over the product development and quality of your items. The only drawbacks are: it can be time-consuming, it's difficult to scale. The costs associated with making products by hand are the cost of materials, storing your finished products, and labor. With all that said, we end this video. We hope you enjoyed it and that it was helpful. Let us know in the comments if you have already tried one of these or if you intend to try them. For now, this is all. Buy and remember, save and invest to be free.